scores from our judges on Monster Jam Media Board. The replay from David Bradshaw, Monster Energy, the score to beat Team Hot Wheels Firestorm is a 27. We'll drop the high, we'll drop the low. A total of 27, which means, based on our tiebreakers, which we start with the highest bonus score, then we go from there. Since Team Hot Wheels Firestorm, Scott Buto actually made it through bonus time and got a score for that, that means Scott Buto, Team Hot Wheels Firestorm, is still in the hot seat here tonight. As you can see, Scott Buto standing over here away from the Metro PCS hot seat. Scott, why don't you want to come ahead and have a seat down here?
That's bad luck for me. Every time I sit in those things, I get bumped out. So I'm enjoying right now. I'm enjoying with the fans. This is what it's all